Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can see, I'm outside on the backside of my car. As you can see right now, the hatch is staying open, and that's because it is a little bit warmer out here, but during the winter times or whenever it gets colder, the back end sags really bad. So there's an easy fix for that, and it's to replace these shocks on this side and on this side, and it's a very simple fix. So as you can see, it is mounted right here onto the car, and you have two mounting positions. You have this one where it's mounted onto the bracket, and then you have this where it's actually mounted in on this little ball right here. For the top side or the door attachment, you can see it's mounted onto the ball with the clip, or you can actually undo the ball from the car. So I went ahead and looked on a couple other car websites, and they all wanted a lot of money for these struts right here. Some of them wanted about $70. I ended up going on eBay and finding this set. I got both of these shipped for $15 together. Now these aren't gonna be your OEM spec shocks, but they are fairly close. So let's go through the steps you gotta do to replace them. So the first thing you need to do is figure out what type of strut you have, either the one that's already mounted onto the mounting hinges and stuff, or if it's just a clips. And as you can see right here, I just have the clips, which means that all I have to do is pop the old ones off and pop the new ones on. So as you can see right here, there is a little slot, and this is perfect for a flathead screwdriver. All you have to do after you get the trunk lid all held up, you guys can get like a 2x4 or something to hold it up, but all you have to do is take this and pry this out, and it actually will release. There's a little pinpoint right here that you guys can see, and this actually attaches onto the ball, and that's what keeps this in place. After you get that off, you can see that it just falls right off with a little tap. This one is the exact same way. You just take it and you pry it apart. You guys can actually wiggle it forward a little bit, and it just rotates off. To install the new one, it's very simple as well. All you have to do is put it over the ball and just push it in. So as I was saying earlier, this is where the ball sits, and you can see how it's all closed up right now. But if you come over here and you get your flathead screwdriver and you pry it forward and get it out of that groove, you can rotate it back around, and you can really see how that opens it up right now. There is one of the little indents, and there is the other one for holding the ball in. See how big that is now for the ball to fit, and then you can just come back around. Now that's all closed up, and you can see how it pinches around the mounting area. For me personally, I don't like the ones that come with the hardware. It takes a little bit more time to change instead of just popping out some little pins. And after you get the pins popped out, you just push the strut on, and it's quick and simple. This is like a 5-minute job that can save you a lot of headache, literally, if that trunk lid falls on your head. So thanks guys for watching, checking it out. I hope you guys find this an easy repair, and you guys can save some money at the mechanic now. So in total, this was a $15 strut repair, and it only took about 5 minutes to do it, which is very simple. Instead of having to drive all the way to your mechanic, getting them to check it out, spending the $80 for them just to diagnose the system with your trunk lid falling, and then having to pay for some OEM struts that would have cost $50, $60. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys found it useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, guys. If you guys are new, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.